Gravitational force is one of the four fundamental forces of nature. A gravitational force is an attractive force between objects due to its mass. Gravitational force is equal to Gm1m2 divided by r square, which is the mathematical formula of gravitational force. Properties of gravitational force. Gravitational force is always attractive in nature. It is the weakest in all fundamental forces. Gravitational force is conservative force. Gravitational force is central force, which acts along the line joining the two objects. The strength of gravitational force depends on the mass involved. Gravitational force is a long-range force. Gravitational force obeys inverse square law. Carrier of gravitational force is graviton. Graviton is a hypothetical particle. Graviton is massless and the spin of graviton is 2. Example of gravitational force: Earth gravity pull object toward its center. Planets orbit around the Sun due to gravitational force.